Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and a recent backup. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once done, open Start, type Disk Mount, MSC, and press Enter to launch disk management immediately. Make sure to identify the exact disk by size and partition layout, and note any unallocated space. You need that context to choose actions like shrink, extend, or create volumes. Don't proceed until you can clearly match the disk in the tool to the physical drive. You now perform the core changes. Right-click the selected volume to shrink, extend, or delete it depending on your goal. When shrinking, enter the number of megabytes to remove. When creating a new volume, pick NTFS or FAT32, assign a drive letter, and format immediately. If working with new disks, initialize and create a GPT or MBR style, and consider convert to dynamic only for specific scenarios. Make sure to review the summary dialog before clicking OK. Changes like delete are irreversible without. You finish by verifying results in File Explorer. Confirm new drive letters, copy a test file, and ensure read/write operations work. Once done, run chkdsk or use the disk error checking tool if you encounter corruption or unexpected behavior. These utilities repair common file system issues. If a disk does not appear, make sure cables and BIOS detect it, then use Action Rescan Disks in Disk Management. Finally, if problems persist, restore from your backup rather than forcing risky operations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.